me. That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
And it's already time to say goodbye to Junyoung. We are now boarding a bus once more. This time we are going to Gongju. See you there. Thank you so much. It was so good to see you again.
We hope to see you again.
In Europe. Yes. Awesome.
I know you need me badly.
Okay, after a arduous journey of about 2 to 2.5 hours, we have made it to Gongju. We were severely decaffeinated, but thanks to this little buddy, we're all good.
Well, I can work with that. Just leave your honor on the counter.
Always remember to take your shoes off in Korea. Now all we need to do is figure out how we assemble that bed.
No lessons learned from last night. And I've been creeping and stalking.
Now for some dinner.
It's not like it ever hide. Well, take it from me, you're gonna die.
So as you can tell, we've managed to get some food. We came here during Thanksgiving, so everything else is shut. I lost Ellie. I lost her to a balloon.
Sorry, shut up.
Born to be on hollow city nights, and now you try to walk away again, but you predictably stumble. You say this mess is what you don't intend.
What are we eating here?
Walnut, red bean, delicacy from Korea.
You're fly, but you ain't nothing special. You'll pay a steep price for this high. Just don't tell me that I lied. We are who we were born to be. Shadows under.
It's very strange because they put sugar on it as well.
So I just, I don't know, it's chewy. I was just craving corn like in the raw form or crunchy form that I know it from Europe. That doesn't look good. I'm biting it. So I was craving this crunchy sweet corn that I know from Europe. So I'm like, I want corn. And he said, okay, you'll get 2 in a bag. So I'm like, awesome. But through the bag, I couldn't see what it was exactly, and I still don't know what it is. It looks like translucent corn. But when I bite into it, I'm totally bamboozled because it tastes like rice cake. It tastes like a chewy dough. Chewy rice dough. It tastes like rubber. No.
You know that moment when you're trying to buy a shaver, but you don't want to buy Gillette or on any of those other really expensive types? So you're just looking for like no brand razor?
But who am I to turn you away from my door? You finally see the truth. It just makes you want more. Come on back inside. A drink till you're satisfied. But when the morning comes, just don't tell me that I lied. We are who we were born to be. Shadows under moonlight. We are who we were born to be. On hollow city nights, I know you.